today I'm gonna make a sandwich for my mommy and daddy. So let's do the ingredients. We have salt, and we have pepper, ham, cheese, that's my favorite one, mayonnaise, little cucumbers, and little tomatoes, and onion. A red onion. Okay, let's make it, put everything out first. And we have to do it on a chopping board because when we are doing out on the table, it'll get messy. So where's my bread? Here it is. My bread. Get a knife. Be careful with knives. Get some mayonnaise. Put it here first. Mayonnaise first. And then on top, I'll do salt and pepper when I'm done. This looks yummy. We have to put on salt and pepper first because it will stick on the mayonnaise. I put the salt and pepper in a bowl because it comes out too quick, look. Now I'm going to sprinkle it on my finger. Now I'm going to stick on the mayonnaise. Sorry guys, I have to wash my hands. We have to make it beautiful, otherwise it will be not yummy. And that's enough now. Cucumber. Now tomatoes. Here. Now next is gonna be, don't put a lot because it will be super spicy. Ham first, guys. And then now cheese. The rest. Guys, do you want some cucumber? Here you go. I don't want the sandwich to get dry. We have to put the sandwich on this bit too. Yummy marinade. When I'm done, I'm gonna put a toothpick on the top. Wow. Go making yourself, guys.